How to fix Meteor Maker crashing, not launching, stuttering, black screen issues on PC. 1. Quit then restart game. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update the game in time. 4. Enable Windows 7 compatibility mode. Like this. Hint, use the browse local files to locate the exe file. 5. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. 6. Update Windows. 7. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables files as admin. 8. Play the game with administrative. Permissions. 9. Disable overlay programs and settings. 10. Uninstall then reinstall the game.